My bird is inside a box filled with trinkets and locks in her hair. She breathes like a still life, I'm stillborn with her, love forever will. I wanna tell her I love her regardless if she doesn't care. She hides when there's danger, invites rescue from me, and I risk it all. Hope you'll always miss me. I can't wait to see you again. And we'll be friends. I'll be waiting for you up in doggy heaven. Inside the halls, the falls engine stall, and I'm turning